Egg roll. Today I'm going to show you how to make egg roll. Stay tuned. It's done. But I'm going to show you how I made it. Ihe ahịa. Ndewonu ndị be anyị. Today we are going to do Nigerian egg roll. These are the ingredients: self-rising flour, and one of it has been transferred in this bowl. And we have sugar, oil, we have salt and butter. We have egg, we have double egg and evaporated milk. We are going to make it double because we are a large family. So stay tuned with putting the egg in the water. We are getting ready to boil the egg because it's the chief ingredients. As the name implies, the name is called egg roll. So we need a lot of eggs to do this. Day one. I've put the eggs on fire. Let me cover it. Then time to make the dough. Time to break the egg. I want to break the egg. These 3 eggs will be broken and I will use it to mix it. It will give it a nice taste. Now I'm beating the egg. Stay tuned. Now I'm going to add some salt, a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar, and I will cut the butter so that it will be easy to mix. I use this butter to mix the dough, so I'm cutting it for easy mixing. Stay tuned. I'm adding some butter. The butter I've cut to start the mixing proper. I've weared my hand glove so that I will use my palms to mix it proper. The reason is that some people put on the nail polish. If you don't put on the hand glove, some part of the nail polish will get into your food. Please stay tuned. Now I have to add the beaten egg. I have to add it, and I will add evaporated milk. This will give it taste before adding water. So I've added the beaten egg and evaporated milk. I will turn it to mix before adding water. Stay tuned. Now I will add some water, a little bit. You have to be adding water bit by bit so that your dough will not be watery. You have to add bit by bit. If it's too thick, you have to add more water. More water. Stay tuned. The dough is about to be ready. I'm still on the mixing. Stay tuned. As you can see, all are coming together. The dough is about to be ready. All are coming together. This is large. Stay tuned. Let's check our egg. Our egg has been boiling. Our egg has been boiling. How do you know when it's done? If your egg is boiled for 10 to 15 minutes, then it's ready. Sometimes one of it will crack open, but now I believe it's done. Now I have drained the hot water out. I have to pour cold water for easy filling. Sometimes you have to pour ice water for easy filling. If you don't have ice water, you just pour ordinary normal water and leave it for some minutes for easy peeling. Now the egg has stayed in cold water for at least 5 minutes. I'm going to peel it and keep it ready for the main thing. The dough is ready. We are rolling it to keep it ready for the egg. Stay tuned. I've finished peeling the egg. All the shells will go here in the fridge, ready to go in the dustbin. I will wash the egg so that all the shell will go out from its body. I will wash the egg and put it in the sieve to keep dry. The egg is ready. So let me go and meet my daughter. She's mixing the dough. As I was peeling the egg, my daughter is here rolling the dough. It's good to have good daughter to help you do a lot of things. She make work easy for me. Stay tuned. I've put the pot on the fire. When it gets dry, I will add oil. My daughter is still on the dough, rolling up the dough. Good to have nice daughter who is always beside you, helping you. She make the work easy. Now that the pot is heated up and dry, so I have to add water. Oil. I have to add oil. You have to add reasonable amounts of oil because it is deep fry. It is deep fry. As we are waiting for the oil to heat up, let's go and roll the egg. Igbo anyị abịa. Yes, let the rolling start. Now let us begin. We are on the surface area, the working area. So my daughter has been here. Let me join her. Wow! The egg roll. My daughter has been here, so I'm trying to join her now to make the egg roll. Let the main work begin. You have to close it tightly so that it will not burst open when frying. When the dough is too much, you have to reduce it and close it tightly. Still on the dough, we are wrapping the egg roll. We are still wrapping the egg roll. See the one that we have made? So let me bring the egg closer. You have to wrap it and wrap it tight so that it won't burst open. When the dough is too much, you have to reduce it so that your egg roll will not be too much dough. We have made some, but we haven't finished it. Let me check our oil to know whether it's hot. When it's hot, we start adding them. Yes, our oil is hot. Let's start to add the the egg roll. I'm used to meat pie. That's why I'm always calling meat pie. Meat pie, meat pie, meat pie. The meat pie is in the oil, so we have to reduce it in medium heat. As you can see, the highest is 9. So let's reduce it to medium heat. So let's leave it in 6. You have to keep stirring it to avoid burnt. You have to be constantly stirring it around to avoid getting burnt. Look at it. It has turned to golden brown. Look at it. It shows that it has done. It's done. It's done. So you have to remove it. You have to remove it from the oil. It's done. It's done. It's done. Now I'm frying the second batch. It's about to be ready. So you have to be constantly stirring it around so that it won't get burnt. You have to use this stirring spoon or fork. You can equally use fork if you like. So it's about to be ready. It's done. Let's pull it out and everybody will gather around to take it with whatever drink you like. You can eat this with any drink of your choice, especially Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Fanta. You have to add kitchen towel to put the oil down. The essence of the kitchen towel is to absorb oil so that you won't have excess oil in your in your meat pie. Sorry, egg roll. I'm used to making meat pie. That's why I used to call only meat pie meat pie. The last set is done. Let's quickly remove it and go and watch European Championship female soccer between German machine and England. Which one do you support? Which one is your team? Let's go and find out. Championship, female soccer, European Championship. Sorry, we can't help the matter. Pardon us for that. Wow, look at it. It's done. It's done. Ifafia. Ifafia. This is correct egg roll.